Let's start by plugging in a USB drive that you would like to make bootable. Note that any data stored on the USB drive will be deleted, so make sure you have nothing important on the drive. Next, open up a command prompt by pressing the Windows Start menu, then typing in the letters CMD. This will bring up the command prompt under Best Match. Now right-click the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, enter your administrator password. In the command prompt, type in disk part to begin prepping your USB drive. Type in list disk to identify the disk number of your USB drive. In this example, our USB drive is listed as disk 1 with a size of 29 gigs. This can be verified by looking in Explorer, which shows our USB drive to be roughly 30 gigs. Next, type in select disk 1 to select your USB drive. Now type in clean. This will clear all information off the disk. Next, type in create partition primary to create a primary partition on the current basic disk. Now select the partition we just created by entering select partition 1. Now type active. This will inform the BIOS or EFI that the system partition or volume is valid. Now let's format the USB drive by typing in format space quick space fs equals NTFS. This will perform a quick format on the USB drive using the NTFS file system. Now type assign. This will assign the next available drive letter to your USB drive. Type exit to quick disk part, but leave the command prompt open. Your USB drive is now bootable. The last step is to simply copy your Windows OS data to your newly created bootable drive. In this example, I'll be copying my Windows 10 data from an ISO image to the USB drive. Locate your ISO image, then right-click the ISO and select Mount. This will display the contents of the image. Now navigate to the command prompt and type in the following command. Xcopy space your Windows source drive letter, in this example, F:\wildcard period wildcard space /S/E/F space your USB drive letter, in this example, E:\. This will begin copying all folders, subfolders, and empty directories to your USB drive. Note that the copy process has been sped up and should take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the USB drive. Once the copy is completed, you can verify the contents of the data by navigating to Explorer and clicking on your USB drive. The USB drive icon will be updated once you remove it from your system and plug it back in. Your bootable Windows USB drive is now ready for use. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button or subscribe for new content. If you have any suggestions on videos you would like to see in the future, please send an email located in the About section of the channel. This is George with TechPlay. Thanks for watching.